Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take cuttings of geranium plant. So basically it's being winter now and it's autumn and it's time to take cuttings of everything you want to save for next year. Since geranium plants are a bit expensive, you may need to take cuttings because I don't know if the mother plant will survive the winter. So you can take any cuttings you want, so any side branches that is on the plant, not the main branch because that's woody. So you take side branches of any plant, and I've taken the side branches of every plant I had. So I had like 6 plants, so I'm going to have cuttings in all of the 15 pots. So what you do first is that, before I tell you what you do, I want to tell you that the reason I'm not making any videos or many videos now is because I basically started college, so it's a little bit hard for me because I need to focus more on my subjects and the college studies. So basically I think that's more important than gardening. So now it's my holidays, therefore I'm making videos and doing some gardening, but otherwise I couldn't actually maintain any kind of thing in my garden. So that's the reason why I'm not actually making so many videos. So let's just begin. So what you do is you just take out the lower leaves. So you need to have a node. A node is where the roots will grow from, and the node is basically the place where there was an old leaf. So what you do now that you had a cutting, you need to just take out any flower buds or any flower stalks. So what you do now is just stick it in the soil like that. So I'm going to stick so many in the soil, and then I will basically water it afterwards. So it's just not a new soil, it's just not a special soil, it's just the old soil I had in the pot soil I had in my garden. So just taking that, so just like that, you take a cutting and stick that in the soil. So I have 15 pots. Basically I may get more plants, but the thing is I don't know if every cutting will actually succeed. So therefore I have got many pots. So I may have more pots left, so I may grab more cuttings and then plant more of the cuttings, because I don't know actually if all of the cuttings will succeed. That's how you actually plant geranium cuttings. So just keep watching. So this is basically what it's looking like right now. So I put some 2 cuttings in some pots just because I know that not all of them will actually survive, and it's 15 of them. I may just get 10, I don't know, we'll see after 1 month or so, and I'll give you update as well. So in these other pots I will take other cuttings such as petunia cuttings, and I may also take coleus cuttings and some other flowering plants. So this is basically just it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.